The reports of fall armyworms were received from all 16 agricultural development centers, ADCs, in the Zambezi region. Heavy infestations are observed in Dudukabe, Masokotwani, Chinchimani, and Linyanti ADCs. While fall armyworms are specifically damaging crops, locusts are destroying both crops and grazing areas. The ministry noted that the resurgence of these locusts and fall armyworms pose long-term challenges, hence the need to combat them in order to avoid further destruction of crops and rangeland. The current stage of crops under attack ranges from vegetative to maturity, as the locusts are feeding on harvested dry maize cones in the crop fields for transportation to storage facilities. This season was promising in terms of good harvest to many farmers because of good rains received in the region. However, the invasion of locusts and fall armyworms is threatening the projected good yield prospects. From February to March, the ministry has deployed teams to conduct awareness, training, demonstrations, and spraying in the affected areas, but only shows a reduction in fall armyworms. The ministry reports that challenges associated with locust spraying campaign includes the absence of emergency fund for the outbreaks, insufficient vehicles and personnel and personal protective gear, lack of pesticides and lubricants at the regional level, livestock movement in sprayed areas, and bush encroachment amongst others. The Agriculture Ministry recommends that government urgently implements locust outbreak measures in order to safeguard the livelihood of the affected communities. There is also need for the detailed research to be carried out at national level and to have contingency plan and a budget in place. Sililo Mviana, NBC News, Katima Mlilo.